In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an account on Zoho CRM. To begin, open your web browser and go to zoho.com. This is Zoho's main website, where you can access all of their products, including Zoho CRM. Once the page loads, look for a button that says Sign Up Now or Get Started. The exact wording can vary depending on what version of the page you see, but both options take you to the account creation page. Click the option you see. On the sign-up screen, you will create your new Zoho account. You will be asked to enter your name, your business email address, and a password. Use an email address you can access easily because Zoho may use it to verify your account and send important setup messages. For the password, choose something strong and unique and store it securely so you can sign in later without issues. If you prefer, you can also choose Sign Up with Google. This can make the process faster since it connects your Zoho account to your Google login and reduces the number of fields you need to type. If you use this option, make sure you select the correct Google account, especially if you are signed into multiple accounts in your browser. After you have filled in your details or selected the Google Sign Up option, review everything briefly for accuracy. Then click Get Started. Zoho will process your information and create your account. Once it finishes loading, you will be taken into your new Zoho dashboard. This is the central area where you can access Zoho CRM and begin setting up your workspace. If you ever need to come back later, you can return to zoho.com and sign in with the same method you used during registration. That covers everything you need to know.